What's up, y'all? I just wanted to show you all my motorized bike build. This one right here is a Kent LaJolla. It's a 26-inch beach cruiser. It's a single speed. There are a few things I did right from the start with this build. I got the center mounted hub sprocket. Then I got the aftermarket chain tensioner. And then I got the offset intake. And that's pretty much it, like right from the start with this one. I know it might seem a little weird, but I have two of the chain tensioners on here. I had a few problems with the chain, like when I go to start the bike. So usually, like when you try to start the bike, the bottom of the chain gets tighter, and then the top of the chain, like this top side, it gets a lot of slack in it. But what was happening was it would skip a link and then bind up inside of the casing right here, causing the wheel to lock up. And so I figured out that if I just install this one right here, it would kind of take up some of that slack, so it doesn't get so much slack to be able to skip a link and then cause the wheel to lock up like that. So that fixed that problem. I really, like with this particular bike or build, I really haven't had any problems with it. The engine, I got the cheapest engine I could find, to be honest. I want to say I paid like probably $110 for it, give or take. But I really haven't had any problems with it either. Like it worked right out of the box for me. I like how with this particular kit, it came with the upgraded clutch lever with this locking mechanism right here. The other style before had like a little button thing, and it would pop out. Also put some new tires on here. They kind of like more like slicks, I guess. I mean, they have a little bit of tread to kind of like siphon the water out or whatever, but they run a pretty high PSI. I say pretty high, but it's about 40 PSI that I run in it. And I think it cruises good. It's not the most, it doesn't soak up the most bumps with it at a higher PSI. I mean, but it does all right. And then I also got this, I got a speedometer. I got a light that has a built-in speedometer on it. Unfortunately, you know, I'm pretty sure it's designed more for like a regular bike, not for a motorized bike. And it stopped reading the speed. So it stopped even picking it up. But it has a horn built into it. Yeah, it has like a few different settings. And the light still works. The speedometer doesn't work, but it's okay. It's not really a big deal to me. This one tops out just over 30. I want to say about like 32 miles an hour. That's pretty fast for a motorized bike. That's completely stock aside from this thing right here, the sprocket. And I think it's like a 38 tooth sprocket. But this right here is just a lock I put on here, a bicycle lock. I was gonna ride it to work, but I don't know, I just haven't really done it. I could start it up for y'all real quick. I gotta see if I can find somewhere to just set my phone down. Hold up. it. If I had a mount or something, I would take y'all for a spin. But I guess I'll do that another time. Yeah, this is it. If y'all have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and I will try to get back to y'all.